Hi, it's Corey Harlow, and this is going to be case study number 13 lab on saving the bay. So what I have here is a pan or container, and I'm going to take 1 scoop of fresh soil out of our garden, and I'm going to place it in this container so it looks something like this. I'm actually going to place 1 more scoop because that didn't give me a full scoop there. Fill it nice and full. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to tilt this pan up and place the mason jar under it so it's like this, and I'm going to get a little stream of water going, and for about 30 seconds I'm going to count aloud. I'm going to let the water run through and catch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, and now I'm going to cut the water off. I'm going to let it drain and stop and pick up the pan. And then just going to empty this over here out of the way, this mud. And then we'll start over here in a second. But then I'm going to stick my ruler down in the bottom of this jar. And I got about, wait a minute, I'm going the wrong way. Make sure I do it in centimeters. I got about 3.5 centimeters of water, and that would just be symbolizing, and I'm just writing it down here, running water. And by looking at this, the water's really dirty, a lot of particles in it, and very brown, so it's just like the soil's been ran in the water. And now I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to get a full scoop of dirt here out of my bucket. But this time I'm going to symbolize raining water rather than running. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place it up like I just did a second ago. Forget how I did it here. Make sure that's nice and empty. I might wash it out real quick. And I'm going to tilt my pan up here. And then I'm going to take my water. I can do this the correct way here. And I'm going to run my water through this thing with holes in it to symbolize rain. So as you can see, it kind of looks like rain rather than other thing. And I'm going to count to 30. Again, it's been about 5 seconds. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. And I'll take that off and let it run through, and then I'm just going to pick it up and get all the water there on the side. This should have went in. And then I'm going to measure it, and what I should get is 1.5. So as you can see, it wasn't as fast a water, so it's going to be less. So 1.5 centimeters, if I can find my pencil. Anyways, I'll write it down in a little. And then I'm going to dump the soil again, and I'm going to repeat the same process, except this time I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to put my scoop of dirt in the bottom, and then I'm going to rinse off my cup real quick. This time I'm going to put on some gloves, and there's my pens. Let me write that down real quick. 1.5 centimeters. And so I'm going to put on my glove, and I'm going to place some weeds at the bottom of the pan. So here's some weeds I put in from the house. And I'm just going to simply lay this up, tilt this up like this, and let water run for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 18, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. And I'm going to cut it off and measure. And this time I got 7.5.